Welcome to this episode of Spacecraft Guide, the channel that describes how the most historic spacecraft work. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we are continuing our work in the Lunar Module, and this week we will continue our work on the Communications panel, Panel 12, and we will do our work on the VOX switch. And when you click on it, it takes you to the VOX switch or the voice communication mode switch. Now, this controls the mode of the commander's voice communication. It enables the voice-operated exchange, VOX, control circuit in the commander's audio center to key the intercom and select a transmitter. In intercom system press to talk, ICS PTT, enables the voice-operated exchange control circuit in the commander's audio center to key intercom system, ICS. Selected transmitters are keyed only with push-to-talk, PTT, switches. And then PTT, push-to-talk, disables voice-operated exchange control circuit in the commander's audio center. All keying is accomplished with press-to-talk switches. So, if we look in the schematic, we can understand how this switch works. So, we click on Schematics, and it takes us to the diagram on the commander's panel. And we look at the, let's blow this up, the VOX mode, press to talk mode, and the intercom system press to talk. So when the power comes in, which is 20 volts, if we keep it in VOX, we see it goes to the VOX and the transistor switch, which then comes up, we follow here to the VHF alpha, Bravo, and S-band VOX key. All of these are the VOX keys, and these go out, as you see, to the relays K1 and K2 in VHF transmitter, goes to relays K1 and 2 in the VHF transmitter receiver here, and that is in the transmitter for VHF Bravo, and then also comes up, here to the diode switch and pad off to the S-band voice to PMP and S-band PMP switch. So that's how it all comes into the system. Now, if we have it on intercom system press to talk, it comes over here to the mic and DSEA VOX key, which comes over to the microphone amplifier, into the diode switch, out here through the intercom bus to the audio center number 2, and also, as you can see, to the tape recorder. And then, let's see, so we have all of that. And then when we go to press to talk, it comes down here to the voice backup, and it comes over here to microphone amplifier, also to the diode switch patch down here, and then both here I had to press to talk, as you can see, comes up to the diode switch to the voice A, or VHF A voice to transmitter, diode switch pad to the voice B voice transmitter, and then also to the S-band voice. So you can see all of these, the switch broadcasts whatever is said out to all of the tools to get the transmission to the antenna and then back to Earth. That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page and the link will be down below.